Nothing like doing the work yourself. You know, I got some advice from one of my brothers that told me, hey, you don't have to deprime your brass. It's really a waste for pistol calibers. And so some I did and some I didn't, but this batch I didn't. And I tell you, the water's super definitely dirty. I wet tumble, but nothing like doing your own. I try to use my resources and what I have. All right, back to what I was saying. I try to use the resources that I have around me. I'm in the market for a certified brass case dryer, and the particular one I'm looking at, it keeps getting sold out and it's on back order, so I'm gonna wait. And me being in the profession I am, I know how to improvise a lot of things. So I got this bucket that I used to, it's got that big old nasty crack in. I was like, I ain't gonna throw it away, put a little hole in it. I used to do hydroponics, so I had this bucket and I drilled a bigger hole in the side of it. So what I'll do is I'll take, yeah, look at that. Take one guess where this came from. Thrift store. Anyway, I should have let you guess. Then I'll take my freshly tumbled and rinsed brass, put it in there like a such. Take this little thing here, throw it in here like a such, and take this little. Are y'all ready for the laugh? Are y'all ready for the laughter? Take this little thing like such. Push it in there like a such. Turn it on. 10 minutes. We'll be done.